Hey Brisbane, Natasha Denman here, the ultimate 48-hour author. Very soon, I'm making my way up to Queensland and your city of Brisbane once again to come along and host the super popular Blueprint for Book Writing Success half-day workshop. Brisbane's actually one of my most highly attended cities all across Australia and the world, which is kind of cool. So what do we do in this half day? Well, we go through how to correctly unpack a book, make it sexy for the market, and we actually demonstrate that with one of you in the workshop. You might be one of the lucky ones to be and have that done for your particular book. Then we go through the publishing industry. We demystify the traditional publishing, self-publishing route, as well as ultimate 48-hour author. And finally, I cover off the leverage that you can achieve in your life and your business from having that book, which is your business card on steroids. So I hope you can make it to the next Brisbane workshop. Do book in early because this is the most attended city around Australia. Natasha Denman, the ultimate 48-hour author.